It's one of the most common ways to ruin a good night's sleep, and maybe more than that.
We're talking about snoring, and in today's Health Watch, Local 5's Connie Feldman has some tips on how to stop the snore.
37 million Americans snore on a regular basis, but the habit doesn't just affect the snorer. According to the Snoring Divorce Statistics, snoring is the third leading cause of divorce in the U.S. behind infidelity and financial issues. Here are some tips for stopping your snore.
It's the nighttime noise that your bed partner dreads. Snoring can ruin a restful sleep for you and others.
It's estimated anywhere between 25% up to 50% of the U.S. population snores on a regular basis.
Snoring happens when muscles in your tongue, roof of your mouth, and throat relax and constrict airflow. The result is a vibration of tissues that creates noise. There are many possible causes, including allergies, the shape of your throat, weight gain, large tonsils or adenoids, or sometimes sleep apnea, a condition that causes pauses in breathing while you sleep. And
even though there's hundreds of treatments available, the vast majority are either unproven or ineffective.
So what does help? Sleeping on your side. In one study, about half of snorers with sleep apnea were able to stop when they changed to this position. Also, avoid alcohol, as it can further relax muscles. Losing weight decreases pressure on your windpipe and allows more air to pass. Nasal dilator strips and this over-the-counter treatment called Theravent may also help some people. Theravent uses your own breathing to create a gentle pressure that naturally opens nasal airways. If snoring is severe, you should see a sleep specialist. A CPAP machine, mouthguard, or surgery might be a better option for you.
If you're not sure if you snore, try downloading an app like Snore Lab. It'll record sounds and let you listen to them the next day. By the way, about 40% of men habitually snore compared to 24% of women. And that's your Health Watch. I'm Connie Feldman, Local 5 News.